This is my shop-made mill for rounding the outside of stave and segmented drum shells using a dado stack and the table saw. These vertical risers are modular additions to my already existing roller jig, which is used for cutting plywood shell stock tubes down to the right depths. Uses those conveyor rollers. The main mechanism is a 5/8 inch Acme thread. It's a sealed bearing within each riser. And this side has a captive nut, which acts as the auto feed. I was expecting a smoother finish, but I'm seeing a lot of machining marks or chatter. This is supposed to be a flat bottom dado stack. You can see it really dug in on some spots. Some of that is due to the excessive length of the Acme rod. I just haven't committed to cutting it off yet, but this was wobbling, so it was sending vibration down and the shell might have been bouncing a bit. Also, having the handle offset was adding to some of that bounce. You can see the wobble right there. It smoothed out when I started turning directly on the shell, and also when I was holding this rod and only spinning the pivot point. But that was resulting in start and stop points. If I can tighten up this support, swap out this handle for maybe a disc, and shorten the length, I should get better results. So I'll raise the blade, take a second pass, and keep experimenting. Once I get this one dialed in, I'm going to revisit my router mill. I'm going to move to the inside milling operation and then cannibalize that to make it an all-in-one system. So I'll have table saw outer round method, router table inner and outer method. I also have some other jigs. So if I ever get back into my YouTube mojo, we can go over those and other jigs, like my finishing rollers.